Hey guys, it's R.V.C here and I'm back again with another video. Let's see if the iPhone 6 is worth buying in 2018. I got mine refurbished for 300 bucks and it's the 64 gig version. It came inside a box with the necessary accessories like a pair of earphones, lightning cable, user manual and the SIM ejector tool. The phone has aged really well, no signs of wear. It feels premium with the metallic build and it's comfortable to hold. To keep it safe, I bought a back plastic cover which has iPhone printed on it and I got it for $2. Well, enough of that, let's get the internal specifications out of the way first. This is a 3-year-old smartphone, so the specifications are kinda outdated. It packs an A8 chipset which is accompanied by 1GB of RAM and PowerVR GX 6450 GPU. Finally, it runs on iOS 11.2.2. Now let's see if it's worth buying. First, let's talk about the performance. To be honest, it's really slow. Opening apps is just continental drift slow. Any app you open, you have to wait a couple of seconds for it to open. I think this thing Apple did to slow down devices is really working. So if you want a fast smartphone, then this is not for you. Battery life is okay. With the 1810 mAh battery, don't expect great battery life. I tend not to use it that much because it's slow, but for sure you can last the whole day with it if you are an average user. The standby though is really amazing. If you don't use it, it will last ages. The rear 8-megapixel camera takes good photos for social media. When it comes to video, you can record 720p or 1080p at 30 fps or 1080p at 60 fps. There's no 4K. There's nothing special with the 1.2 megapixel front-facing camera. It's average. So would I recommend it? It's a matter of preference. Build quality is amazing and for sure it will age pretty well. Performance-wise, you have to change the battery if you want to increase the speed, which is another expense. The camera is not the greatest, but it can take decent photos. Battery life is suitable for average users. Just weigh the pros and the cons and make the decision. Well, that's it for now. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, please drop it in the comment box below. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Share this video and I guess I'll have to see you in the next one. Bye.